Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I'm so glad to have each and every one of you join me here today. And I appreciate every one of you for stopping by and leaving the comments and the likes and the shares. I appreciate that very much. So just grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny talk. As my intro says, I would like to start today's video off with some happy mail. Christmas isn't over. So the two cards that I have to show today, this is from Carla. Thank you, Carla. This is beautiful. And Merry Christmas to you and your family. Thank you so much for that. That is beautiful. And Carla is from California. That's cool. And so the other card that I have is from Sharon, and she is from Georgia. Look at that. It is just beautiful. It's all glittery. Yeah, I like that very much. Thank you very much. And I'm so glad that you enjoy my channel and that you enjoy my Bible readings at the end. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. I have two new members to my channel, and both of these members happen to be YouTube podcasters, crochet YouTube podcasters. And one is Yarny Things by Brian. Hey, Brian, she's really sweet. She just started her channel, and I really like her. She's just real sweet. And the other one is Mrs. And you know, I'm not going to get this right, but I am going to try my best. Mrs. Hootie Hooten Crafts. Mrs. Hootie Hooten Crafts. And I hope I'm saying that right. Check out both of these ladies' channels. And ladies, I'd like to say thank you for joining my channel, becoming members. I appreciate that very much. So the next happy mail that I have is from Nancy. She's got yarn too. Hi, Nancy. She sent me this. And I love the way they package these. That is really cool. Ooh, good, a book. You guys know how much I love books, right? All right. Oh, I don't think I have this one. I do not have this one. Dress Up Amigurumi. Make 4 huggable characters with 25 outfits. This is awesome. Thank you, Nancy. This is awesome. Dress Up Amigurumi. Yep. Oh, and here's the back side. This is really nice. I wonder who this is by. Oh, it says with video tutorials for all crochet stitches. That's good. I can't even pronounce it. Let's see the inside. Here it is. Let's see if I'm getting this in here good. Yeah. That's who it is. A lot of picture instructions. Look at that. This is going to be amazing. It's going to make things so much easier. Look at the elephant. Oh my gosh. I wonder if they have an index of all the characters. Oh gosh. This one can be used at Christmas time. It's a box with a snowman in the box. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And the teddy bear is wearing a snowman shirt. That's like a reindeer with a snowman shirt and a snowman in a box, a present. That is cute. So much fun, but I wish there was like an index. Graduating, looky there. And you can make any of these animals with for the graduation, not just the animal in the book. A firefighter. My husband would love that. Except I would probably do him the teddy bear. Is there a dog? A dog would, yeah, I'd probably do him the teddy bear. Valentine's Day. Look at that. The bow and arrow. There's a dog. Anyway, look at that. Christmas. So it's showing you how you can do naked bodies or striped bodies. So that's really cool. Well, thank you so much for this. I appreciate this very much. This book is amazing, and I am going to get tons of use out of this. There's so much stuff that I already want to make in this. So my next Happy Mail is from Mary, and Mary is from Michigan, and it's Ann Arbor, Michigan. So Mary, I love this card. Thank you so much for this. This is frameable. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. Now Mary sent me a goodie bag of stuff. So I'm going to start off with some tea. She gave me some different varieties of tea. Thank you so much for that. And this cute little tin box. I have this saying across from me when I go to bed at night. It's across the wall from me. It says, "Give it to God and go to sleep." On there. But this is so cute. It has a pen and paper in here. And it has it's a prayer box. So I am definitely going to use that. I love this so much. Thank you for that. Yeah, we have some cherry crumble tea. Now, I'm curious to try this, Mary. Thank you so much for sending this. It says Traverse City, Michigan is our cherry capital. Traverse City. Enjoy these K-cups of Traverse cherry coffee. I will. I am going to try this today. Say thank you so much for that. That was so sweet to send that like that. Okay, and then this here is Show Me the Dough tag. It says sweets galore. And let's see, it is full of sweets. Look at that. Thank you so much for that. Me and my husband will dig into this today. Yep, Reese's is my favorite. Thank you so much. I love Reese's. All right, and I like the green, the green candy more than I do the red candy. So thank you so much for that. All right. Oh, yeah. And this right here, I have not tried these. It says rich, dark chocolate and the flavor of bright raspberry hidden between delicate cookies. Yes. I am really anxious to try this. Oh, here's the front. I'm showing you the back. Raspberry chocolate. There we go. Raspberry chocolate. That looks delicious. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so for icing on the cake, we have cakes here. Looky here. Big Twist Arcade. Yes, thank you so much for this. I can add this to, I think I have 2 up there. I can add this to this and actually make me something nice. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. I just love this. It says Turk Brown. This is a Joanne exclusive brand, Big Twist, if you're interested in this. There it is up close. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. It says that it is a bulky 5 and made in Turkey. Big Twist. Here we go. 154 yards, 100% premium acrylic. And I just love this yarn. I just love it. So I can't wait. I don't know what I want to make with it. I think I want just a nice hat and scarf, but I'm not 100% sure because I want to make sure that when I do that, I'll probably have to do some color controlling because the scarf, I don't care, but the hat, I want to make sure my turquoise gets in the hat, you know. So not only did she get me 1, but she got me 2 of these. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. I'm very, very excited over that, as you can tell. So, Mary, I would just like to say thank you so much for all these wonderful gifts that you have packed in this little Christmas package. I appreciate it so, so very much. And I hope you had a wonderful Merry Christmas. I would like to say thank you to everyone who has bought my flash drives off of my Etsy shop and my Adoring Doll Clothes website. I appreciate that very much. And your packages are being shipped out today. So be sure and look for those in the mail this week. The other thing I want to show you guys is this package that I told you I got from Annie's. They sent me this pro bono. They want me to make one of these a month and share it with you guys and tell you my thoughts and stuff on it. So this is Annie's, and it's a crochet kit. So I will be getting started on this next week. But it is the Casablanca Afghan. And each month I'll get one of these and I'll do whatever the pattern is for that month. And then I will show you guys. and let you see, you know, tell you what I think about the technique of being hard or easy or, you know, whatever. But that's it right there. And I think that the first one I do, the first part, is this right here. And I know that if I run into any issues, there are tutorials that go along with this online on Annie's to help me along the way. So I'm anxious to try that out. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this. It's called the, I think the name of the kit itself is the Moroccan Crochet Kit Club. Let me double check real quick. Okay, it just says the Casablanca Kit. Okay, so yeah, it is. It is called the Annie's Moroccan Tile, T-I-L-E, Afghan. And so if you do order this, I'll leave my referral link below if you would like to order this. And I believe you get 50% off your first order. So that would make it $9.99 plus shipping. And I believe the kit is $19.99 a month. But if you're interested in this and you would like to try this, you know, get you that first month. And then if you feel like it's not your cup of tea, it's not worth the money, you can always cancel. Or you can just keep going with it if you do like it. But I am very excited that they've asked me to do this and show this to you guys, because and give you my thoughts on it. They do have another one, and it's in a darker blue. It's just as beautiful. Where this is cream, it's like a dark blue. So more, well, when I say dark blue, I think maybe kind of like that blue, or maybe darker blue. I don't know. It's hard to tell in a photo, but it's very beautiful just as well. But this is the one they sent me. I didn't pick. They sent me what they wanted. So that is it. So yes, I'm very excited. That's a lot of yarn too to get started with. Anyway, so yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I will start on that next week. I will keep you guys updated. I'll leave the link below in case you would like to go ahead and get started on it yourself. And so guys, that's all we have is Happy Mail today. The video was chock full of the Happy Mail. So I'm going to go ahead and read our 365 days of prayer. It says, take this suffering. Heal me, O Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved, for you are my praise. Jeremiah 17:14. Healer, I need you. I know what you can do. I've read it and I've seen it. Today I claim your healing. You know my need, Father. The brokenness in body and spirit for which I pray is not news to you. You are intimately involved, waiting to intercede. I believe you, Lord. I know you can take this suffering in an instant. I know it as well as I know my name. I know that if you choose to wait, even until we are reunited, that your reasons are good. Boldly, I ask you not to wait. I ask you to act now, today, and to heal me. Where do you need Jesus' healing touch? That is really good. I hope that is going to help a lot of you guys today. I know it's going to definitely help me. So, yes. So that is all that I have for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I enjoyed putting it together for you guys. I enjoyed showing off all this wonderful Happy Mail that you guys have sent me. I love the cards. They are beautiful. I love the gifts. They are awesome. So thank you guys very much. And just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.